All right, we got today's Sunday, and next Saturday and Sunday was the last weekend we had before Super Chevy. And we got the safety blanket on the transmission scatter shield. It's one of them SFI blow-proof, wobby-dobby, super-duper, what you call them?
Yep, foot saver.
Yeah, foot saver. And redid the nitrous, and everything is working. No leaks, no vacuum leaks. Everything's running and working. We ordered the jets for it last night, so they should be here next Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm going to be having a 100 shot on it. Right now, we've been driving this thing this whole time. Dad's seat's been good, but my seat's has no bolts in it, so it just flops all over. So I'm actually going to fix that. Then we're going to put the safety loop in it, and probably drive it to the house tonight. Maybe, knock on wood. I don't know. Yeah.
Road mile or two on.
But so that's what's happening.
It ain't long now.
No, it's really not.
Coming up faster than I thought.
Yeah, so hopefully everybody that's coming is ready. And if you ain't ready, you better keep doing like us and keep thrashing.
I hope everybody showed up. Supposed to show up.
Road to Bristol.
Road to Bristol 2017.
Yep. Got to put the rear end under Colton's S10. Got it all together. The C-clip illuminators, the axles, the spool, everything showed up. It's all together. My seat is finally mounted. Look. Amazing. It don't move no more.
Yeah, Dustin can't rock and roll around and flop around in there.
I know.
Safe now. Safety first.
Thank God for that. I've been riding in that thing with a block of wood under it forever. You have to hold the door and put your leg down and keep it stiff so you don't flip over. But now it's fixed. So yes, cruising in style. Neutral safety switch. Just checking over everything. Safety loops in.
Safety loop, belts are up to date. So, well, it'll be good.
Battery hold down. Everything should be fine.
Yep.
This is the official drive back to the house test of the 411. Tunnel rev and everything else. We put a tow hitch on the back of it now.
Heck yeah. Easy way to put a 70-pound plastic tailgate.
That is for sure. This is official road to Bristol.
If you're on the road to Bristol right now, it's starting the pressure's going to start to mount. Some people have just crushed like it does every year. They start to get a little panic and they're like, I'm ready to go, then you ain't ready to go.
Speaking of ready to go, Sugar Sean went out to do his little race and he drove 50 miles out to Chevelle, which didn't have no lights or nothing else on it. He just threw it together so we could go racing. And he made it 50 miles and then his transmission locked up, or his shifter locked up one. He had to have it towed home. But the important thing is, he got it out on the road and he drove it those 50 miles.
2 years ago, that car didn't even look like a...
It looked like a car.
Yeah, he ain't worked his ass off on that car. Way to go. That's awesome.
Yeah. That's
Good
all.
job. Fine job. He's out there, got him running, got him done.
What's that group called?
Ratty Muscle Cars.
Yeah, Ratty Muscle Cars. Something like that. Check him out. It's real cool. Sugar Sean.
Here we go.
40 something. Probably 40, I'd say. I'm gonna see if I can look it up on my phone. Maybe he can do a GPS, I can tell.
We had one, we had a GPS.
It done good though. It sounded good. It's clean all the way through. We're good. We come out of Sonic dead leaning a little bit and it spit and nosed over real bad and lost all power. We got to look and the fuel pump was off. It runs good. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. This is like dangerous slot.
It's Friday and Coach just got off work. I just got off work. Justin, we all hopped in the truck. We're taking Coach's S10 over here and put the 586 12 bolt stuff over. 12 bolt stuff's here in Coach's truck. Got all the parts, so Gary's gonna let us use the bay and we're gonna put it in there tonight. Justin driving deer man.
Do I look good over here? I need to put my hat up.
Yeah, set your head up a little higher. There you go. Spit out the window.
It'll blow right back in my face. Figured I had that diesel look.
Anyway. Hang with us, friends, again. Road to Bristol. Fix S10. Get that thing going, bring it back around. A little more gear in it, a little more calm.
And Dad's been driving his black truck all week.
Yeah, I drove my truck all week. I got over probably more than 100 miles on it. Knocking out about 12 miles a gallon, best I can figure. I was wanting 14, but it's only getting 12.
You don't know for sure though.
I think. I ain't sure. I can't tell how many miles I'm going or whatever. I'm just goofy guessing.
I say it's like 14.
I don't know.
14 to 16.
We'll have to see, but I've drove it all week without.
It's like
nothing.
a Prius.
It just runs right along, just fires up, and solid as $1. And street supremacy. All the diesels have calmed down.
No black soot.
Every one of them used to whop the shit out of me in the Suburban. They don't whop me in the truck. I walk back. Anyway, now it's running good though, so I guess it's all good. I'm gonna give it a little rack, put my mini bike on the back of it, go to Bristol. So stay with it. Here we go. It's gonna be a good weekend, Labor Day weekend. Gas prices are outrageous. All we do is drive hot rods. Slap in the face of high gas prices.
Are they high?
Yeah, they're going up. Nothing like traffic. Friday evening traffic.
I know. Friday and it's
Everybody piles up about 6 o'clock, man. It's hard to go anywhere.
It's because people keep moving here. Stop moving here, people. Stay out of Asheville. We don't need no more hippies or tree huggers.
Everybody comes out on Friday, man. Everybody tries to get home about 5 or 6 o'clock. You got like a 45-minute window. If you don't hit that window, you're lost in traffic. It's awful. Anyway, slowly but surely.
Thanks a lot. Rain.
Man, nothing like good old rain and mud.
No kidding.
We'll be back. Secret hideaway. Work must begin. See to hold the center section. When you see the picture of it, a bracket. Over here at Carrie Fox.
Live on the road, Kerry Fox, road to Bristol.
Everybody, road to Bristol. Woohoo! Get her done. Race on.
Drive shaft loose, U-bolts are out. Brakes are coming off, brake lines are next, and out she comes. So, gotta get some U-bolts. That U-bolts for that S10 rear won't work. Gotta get some bigger U-bolts. Kerry's kind enough to come over here and use his garage. What a guy.
Very welcome.
He's the
Happy
man.
to help. Tickles me today.
It's up on the lift. It's amazing.
I just can't hide getting excited.
Good man right there. That is a genuine good man. That fits in over there, that cover. He's done got it rolled. It got the quarters right here. Yeah, there's his quarters. He's knocking it out. It's going to be a bad 57. That rear end's out. They just carried it down, bringing 12-bolt backs. Well,
Hard on it, but it didn't have the other part of the bolts to it that goes up in the steering column.
I found another one the other day. Oh, was that brake pad dripping here?
Yeah.
There you go. Let me get your pen.
What's that one that's one?
One of them.
I don't know. You might have to go up, but it's
We might have to drill this out a little bit.
Still won't fit? No. We'll do them that way. Yeah, we go up with it now. I just want to keep the road so we can just throw everything around.
they're both sitting in.
Dustin, that looks like it'll go under there.
The thing had these big shackles on the very bottom of the spring. See how thick? Made her stiff, never would weight transfer, so took these out. Now she'll weight transfer. So order help just a little dog bit. I'll give her that. Huh? It's over there. Oh, I had it somewhere.
Yeah, I didn't think that was going there. Look at the
They went some thrashes on. Try to not thrash. I'll talk. Reels again. Careful. Live. There you go. Most of them are cylinders is bad in them.
Yeah, I'm just looking.
All right, we got all up in here. Everything's marked. We set the pinion angle 5 degrees down, which is where it should be, 5, 7, somewhere around there. So yeah, now fixing to tack it. And then tomorrow we got to get some U-bolts because the ones we had didn't fit. Imagine that. And then we can pull the drive shaft out and take that U-joint out.
Makes a thunderous return to the Smokies with a weekend full of bikes and classic rock bands. September 8th through 10th at the Cherokee Fairgrounds. Saturday with Foghat, and we're handing out tickets.
Just listen all week long with me, Brian Blades, during the College of Rock Knowledge in the 7 o'clock hour, in the noon hour with Heather, and here in the afternoon during the 5 and 5 for your chance to win.
Where's your horoscope?
Now then.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
No shine, no bone.
God. Alright. She's all welded up. Good to go.
Certified welder.
Kerry Fox.
Certified.
Fox Hollow.
Fox. Foxhole Racing.
That's it. See it back here on the wall? That means it's legit.
For any of you nice looking ladies out there that wouldn't mind putting up with a man that deals with stuff like this all the time, I am available.
Contact him at CarryFox.love.
Foxhole Racing. Foxhole.com.
Foxhole loving.
Yeah, there you go. You have to cut cards for the poke. Yeah.
Cut cards for the poke.
Here you cut cards for a poke. I don't know what that means. Huh? I'm not going to answer that. You take a deck of cards and she's sitting over here. You cut the cards. If you got the high card, you get the poke. If she gets a high card, she gets $50 and you don't get the poke.
It's from a movie called Lonesome Dove.
If you win, she keeps the $50 and you get the poke.
Yeah.
Let's see.
The high card wins.
Yeah, the high card wins.
Yeah. If she loses, she gets nothing. If she wins, she gets $50 and you get a poke. That's what it was in the movie. Yeah. Yeah. He said, can we cut cards for a poke?
Cut cards for the poke. Okay. How was it?
Just Google it, people. Look up Lonesome Dove, cut cards for a poke, and it'll come up, I promise you.
Jared cut cards for a poke. Yeah, I was a little scared at first, but then it might be alright. It's just funny as hell always does.
You got to give the poke, not take the poke.
$50 and I don't get the poke. If I get the high card, I get the poke, you still keep it.
Yeah, that's Robert Duvall.
Yeah, he just want the poke.
It is funny. Oh, well, I guess until tomorrow when we get the U-bolts, that'll be a wrap. And we'll come back over here in the morning and throw it in there and he'll be able to drive it back to the house.
No, I'm not doing that. No.
You'll do it. It's fun.
Colton had to go to 4 different O'Reillys. Well, we still got to go to the other 2 to get a complete set of U-bolts.
Yeah.
Like, what logic?
All the way to the other side of Hendersonville, all the way to Patton Avenue, which is about 30 miles, to get these right here, one in each one. We're bitching about this again because these parts stores don't keep nothing. And then I got in the truck and I was like, Colton, I said, you went and bought some parts. I said, you have to suffer through a story.
It looks like they've had that one since the 1980s.
I said, you have to suffer through a story to buy your parts. And he was like, yeah, I did. We were talking about every time you go in a parts store, somebody's got some big bullshit story they got to tell. So here we go. Here's another. We got to post these up, dudes. If y'all get any stories at these damn parts stores, share it, man. I want to hear it because we keep posting about it. We keep pressuring these boys to start keeping some parts, start getting some real old parts stores, get guys in there that know parts, that build cars, that know how to get greasy, that know how to build some shit, and won't have no problems. Damn, I'm gonna have to get rich and open my own freaking parts store where I can keep anybody. You come in there for a damn 2016 Prius, I'm gonna send your ass out. I ain't got nothing for it. I got 6-7 Camaro parts, and that's all we got. Get out of here.
But hearing the stories is like the price of admission. Like, if you want to get a part,
you have to pay the rite of passage to buy your hot rod parts because they'll tell you something. It's so funny. I mean, God bless you, boy. We're tickled to be able to get any damn parts anymore, but it's just so damn hilarious what the fuck you got to go through just to build a damn hot rod. Used to, I mean, we had 2 parts stores in fucking Asheville, a quarter mile apart. Everybody there, new cars, new hot rods, new whatever. You could just go in there. I need 2 U-bolts, 4 U-bolts. There you go. 12 bolts. Boom. There you go. Whatever you need, and you can get anything on any given Saturday that you needed. You know, and we ain't that like that no more. Anyway. Here's the story. Here's a new one for today.
What was the story, Colton?
What was the story?
In a nutshell, we don't need all the details.
Yeah, just kind of just throw it out there. Whoever told the story, then bless your heart. I'm glad your parts. But build something, man. Get up there and do it, because you probably don't.
Was it a full-on BS story, or was it logical?
Where was it at on the damn drag meter? Was it over here like out on that bullshit, or did he just like peg it up there to total horse shit? Where was it? Where was it? 1 to 2, 5,500? 8,500 or just blowing all the shit?
Well, did he say he carried the front wheels through all 4 gears?
I mean, he didn't beat my story. I had ain't nobody beat the 4 gears. Every tires was up all the way down to 4th gear.
What street tires?
They didn't come down on a dirty street in 1960 and carried the tires through all 4 gears. That didn't come down to 4th gear. Ain't nobody can beat that. And the boy down here, he rode in it. He was there, so I know it's true. Go ahead.
Well, the guy asked what it was for. I said, a race truck. He's like, well, what is it? I'm like, S10. Yes, it was a big block or small block. It said 350 with nitrous. He's like, oh yeah, I had a nitrous car one time. And he's like, if you don't purge it, it'll mess the motor up. You have to take all the plugs out and spin it over by hand and clear it out. I just sit there.
If you don't purge it, folks. He said if you don't purge it.
I'm like, okay. I'm just trying to get out of here now.
No.
If you sit there and play with the button and load it up, you will have to pull the plugs out of it to get all the nitrous out of it, because you will explode the shit out of it when it starts.
Yeah, but that's not a purge. The purge is to relieve bottle pressure.
Just drop the pressure down to where you want. Like if you got 1,000 pressure, a lot of people want 900 pounds of bottle pressure, whatever. They'll purge it. They're supposed to get all the air out of the system up to the solenoids where you got pure nitrous. Just to purge it, it'll drop the bottle system down. You see them guys rolling through the line. They like 900 pounds. So everybody likes their own bottle pressure. They'll drop it down.
Because they got the car set up to make passes on that exact PSI.
Yes, and they got to run the same PSI. They change balls every pass. They got plenty of balls and plenty of nitrous, and that's why they purge them, and that's the whole deal.
Hey, look, there's two folks coming up bedtime story.
But hey, y'all better quit fucking in there.
They got
a big deal, no. Did you see the hot bag?
They got him on Mr. Wiggly's Industrial.
Mustang going to the show.
He polishing it up. This is a good Saturday already.
Ain't no crowd, because he'll run over every damn one of them when he leaves. That's the only place he won't kill nobody.
Gotta go to empty parking lot.
Put him there by himself. All right, you didn't get the one from this O'Reilly, did you? Oh, this guy's the one that told Dad. No, it was AutoZone. Guy told his dad's story.
We need 2 more of these. We have to pay the price of another story. Will we have to pay the Saturday morning price?
Oh my God! I should like mount the GoPro on Colton's shoulder.
Yeah, let's get a body cam. Let's get an auto parts cam. We'll get the bullshit cam, and we'll bet it on.
Well, Colt could probably just put his phone on record and just hold it in his hand.
Yeah, if we had a set of them cool glasses, you could film the whole thing.
We'll make you famous.
Anybody got a pair of them fucking camera glasses, or know where we can get?
You can buy them. You can buy them on eBay. If they didn't look like they weighed 12 pounds because they got them cameras in them.
We call it bullshit cam. We just post shit up on Saturday. Let us know what kind of bullshit you got to go through to buy parts. Anyway, we're just having fun, by God.
We got 2 more O'Reillys in the AutoZone.
There's an O'Reilly.
Yeah, here's the O'Reilly.
This dude in here don't ever talk. He's cool.
Yeah.
If it's that black guy.
Probably I'll get mad at us next time we want a set of plugs. It'll fucking be $8 a piece.
Yeah.
And a set of plugs, if you want a set of plugs, you got to go to 4 different parts stores, because ain't none of them got but 2 or 1.
Yeah, what was funny?
They never have a whole set of 8.
Is I always look up the parts online and before we even make the trip.
Yeah, look them up, get your part number, and call them and be like, you got this, put your hand on it, and set it out for me. That's the only way you get it. Because the other day I was looking at the damn wheel cylinders, and they sent me this, and they said, oh, they're showing 2 up here. Oh, they're showing 1 more there, and I go there and go there. Oh, no, they got them over there. Go over there. No, that wasn't here.
It was funny, this place, that guy was actually surprised that they had 8 spark plugs in stock. He said, oh my God, we got 8 of them. I said, yeah, I need them.
You got your body cam on? You got your hot rod bullshit cam? Bullshit cam. Bullshit cam. You don't take this to showing?
No.
I need one of these.
No. This is the first guy I called.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All pissed off.
Let him get mad. What difference is it gonna make? Ain't gonna make no difference.
You don't get pissed off, I don't give a shit. There's so much stuff going on in America, and them poor old Texas is washed away, and they living their hard, and people ain't got nothing, and everybody wants to do is raise the gas prices and fuck people out of more money, just make matters worse. These some bitches are still blocking the streets, protesting Trump. He ain't the president. These motherfuckers need to grow up. Oh, y'all, fucking shut up. Get out on Saturday and do something with your family, and build something, and do something creative, and make this world a better place instead of a worse fucking place.
Everybody crying and whining. Yeah, when did America become a place of people that cry and whine?
That's all they do. America used to stand tall and proud, and you ain't nobody fuck with America.
You can't say nothing no more without people getting butthurt.
Yeah, you got all these people just wanting to be this and be that, and they don't want to do nothing. And they'll go to these damn Trump rallies and stuff and try to get these people to comment. They don't even know what the fuck they're talking about. They don't even know what they're protesting about. They're just out there with the other fucking idiots standing out there with their sign trying to change something.
Because of social media.
Yeah, it's just social. They just want attention. You know, you shave your fucking head, you paint your hair blue just to get attention. If you fucking, I don't know what's wrong with everybody. Damn.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It is. Everything's gone stupid. We just want to build a hot rod and go out and race a little bit and have a little bit of fun with a family.
That's
I'm
what we
thinking
do.
last night we was sitting in that garage. It's so cool. I just sit there and watch my boys work together, work on shit, hang out with Carrie Fox, listen to music, sitting in a 50s style barber chair or salon chair, whatever that thing was, in a big old garage out in the woods, just watching, just being part of something. Just plain old hot rod. And we ain't out smoking, drinking, shooting people, carrying guns, trying to own the damn street, trying to steal, loot, burn shit down. Yeah, motherfuckers kill me. They go loot and burn their own damn place down and make all the prices go up because they can't do nothing. They won't tear up their own fucking house. They go tear up everybody else's shit. Oh
my God, did he catch a story? Did he catch a story?
Coming. Here it comes. Boom.
Maybe he just walked away. Did you just get it?
Just get it.
Just paper and walked out?
Hell yeah. That's the one.
No story here. Do you have it on?
Look at him in there. Will this work? I don't know if this is going to work for your application. Look at Dad's laughing. He must be hearing the story. Yep. And here they come. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe they didn't hear a story. Maybe the guy was just trying to convince them of parts that they needed that they didn't need.
Yeah, like 13.
Well,
What?
no story, huh?
No.
All right, good.
Well, not really.
I seen Dad in there like, ah.
Yeah.
Was he trying to tell you what parts you needed? Or?
No.
No.
No, not really.
Pretty cool. He said, we probably got 70% of what you need. Young generation said they don't understand anything. I said, well, we'll just get it, put a whoop-do in. He said, yeah. He said, these young people don't understand that. He said, make something work. He said, back in my day, we didn't have nothing. He said, you have to make it work. I said, he said, there's a little longer line. I said, yeah, we'll just put a whoop-do in. It'll be all right. And that's what he said. He said, we're like Lowe's. He said, we got 70% of what you need.
Give me that little card.
He said, we might not have it. We probably don't. He said, we ain't got much in brake lines. It's cool, dude. It's a damn good parts store. Real against, my guy.
All right, I'm going to pause. I ain't got a whole lot of
That was a little bit about cars.
Yeah,
And the hard times.
Was he an older fella?
Yeah, he was an older fella. Yeah,
Yeah,
the
that's
hard
why.
times we live. He didn't have no bullshit for it. He just talked real as it gets and told us whatever we wanted, and he stood back there and let us pick through it and get what we want.
Good.
Awesome parts guy.
It ain't warm. There's no set for me to do it again.
Yeah. Does it make any noise or anything?
No.
It don't have. Good.
Is that hot? Is that hot?
Oh. No, they're not warm.
Over here to your phone, just breaking the cold. Pick up the window. Run for a minute. Shut it off. Run and get it shut off.
Turn that place out.
Too damn noisy.
I love it.
Motherfucker noise up back.
I love it.
It's got them baffles in it. It's quieted down. Yeah, it's quieter than it was.
And I guess
It'll be in like 2 days.
that's a wrap right there. Big thanks to Mr. Kerry Fox.
Oh, very, very welcome.
Fox Hauler Racing. Fox Hauler Racing.
That's what I was about to do. I was about to tell the camera what we did in the last couple hours. Hey, put it all back together. I didn't film none today. I was busy. Yeah. So it's all filmed. Dustin's got blown head gasket and broke push rods and rockers, and I'm gonna be tearing this motor apart here and probably.
Yeah, we were just talking about no pressure and it's close to Bristol, but here comes the pressure.
Bring it up, screw down the cord.
Yeah, that's why Bristol will crush you, because it just said Dustin was talking that day about it. He said he about got everything done. There ain't no pressure. He don't have to thrash. He just said I should have said that.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
All in his oil.
That's what happens. It's always a thrash for Bristol and the pressure, and then it just crushes, and it just smashes you down the ground. Most people can't survive it.
And you can't wait for next year to
No,
get here.
you'll go right back. You'll go right back.
Be so excited.
Right, that's a wrap from Fox Hauler.
Yep, that's it.
Thanks again, Kerry.
You're very welcome.
much appreciated.
Good man.
Very well.
There you go, man. I'm
Glad-
gonna kiss him right on top of the head. He's a good boy. He's a good man.
Y'all are very welcome. Happy to have you.
There we go.
Happy to have you.
The thrash goes on.
Absolutely.
To Ardinia.
On a 586.
Getting his long ride home.
Just hammering on it. At least let some heat get in that gear. Put about 10, 15 miles on that brand new gear first.
Yeah.
How far you got to go?
Arden.
It's about 20 to Arden.
Got plenty of gas.
It's about half a tank.
There went the mileage. In the midst of a gas crisis, what do we do? 586 and a tow rim on my truck, just a smack in the face with America.
Yeah.
We might
They
have
ain't got no
something.
power valve in their carburetors neither.
Man can't be scared all his life.
There ain't no gas shortage. Don't y'all buy that crap. There ain't no gas shortage. You're just paying more for it because these people want to gouge and rob everybody.
Right.
Yeah, they're just laying it to you. There you go, Colt. Get it, Justin. Get it, son.
Nasty rumor started by the grading.
What was that again? Damn.
Laying it to you.
Huh?
Laying it to you.
Where'd you learn that shit?
I'm a Wilson.
Shit, no tail lights back.
I'm behind you.
Country roads take me home to the place where I belong. North Carolina, mountain mama. Yeah, we almost to the house. No tail lights, got blinkers, no tail lights. Gotta fix the rear, we ain't got time for no tail lights. Seems all good.
Smells good enough.
They're gonna go up here and make a little poke, so. It sounds like a poke.
High card for a poke.
Yep, anybody want to cut cards for a poke? Oh, shit.
Yeah, I was thinking earlier. I didn't film anything today.
He took it nice and easy, nice and refrained. Usually he's not so refrained. No leaks, though. Still a damn cover on that little S10, ain't it? I found out today. All right, after the whole day ordeal, well, today and yesterday of Colton's rear end swap and 586 gear and whatnot, now we're out here helping Dustin, who killed a push rod and found water in the top of his head, but luckily it did not get a head gasket. It was nothing. It was just condensation from the valve covers, we're assuming. So we drained the oil, turn the water pump on, no water come out nowhere. So now we're gonna put the rockers on it, help him set the lash, and then we're gonna call it a night. We're
Go to Bristol. Bills again.
beat down.
Go on the road. Tired as fuck. No, we ain't tired. We ain't that tired.
There's the Malibu sitting over there.
Look right here.
Dad's gonna go over there.
Dirk, I got it running good, son. I come out here and do a little tearing on it. That's when we going to fly.
gonna rip.
Won't be fast enough out on the black truck, but it'll do.
You ain't getting the black truck, but it'll run pretty good. To the sand pile, baby.
They look so good with drag rails on it.
2017 hard sold to the sand pile, me and Turk.
To the sand pile.
That's right. First one to the sand pile wins. We're racing down the turn road too.
Yeah.
Rematch. Oh, I didn't get Kerry Fox to say that shit on camera, whatever the hell he mulled out today.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know what he said.
He had something like your dad says about the farts. Yeah. It's cool shit. And I was like, I gotta get that on camera. I didn't get him to do it.
Fizz buzz.
It was something I can't remember what he said.
Hey, Kerry Fox. Yeah, Kerry Fox. When you see this video, put a comment in the comment section of exactly what it was you said today. You'll know what I'm talking about.
You can't write it. You got to hear him say it.
Well,
Gary's coming to Super Chevy, isn't he?
I don't know if he is or not.
He's coming to watch at least.
oh yeah, he'll be down there watching, sure.
Is he coming to watch, isn't he?
Yeah, I'm sure he will. But we're putting his rockers on. He had to buy a new rocker and a whole new set of push rods because one of them broke and you can't order just one because of sticking it to the man.
High pressure sales.
Yeah, high pressure sales. We can't sell you one. It won't be there till the 9th. So.
Yeah, wouldn't you hate to see Dustin pull all that shit off there? All that cool shit takes a lot of time. I'm trying to keep him doing all that. I don't know. You didn't have to do it.
Yeah, what position it was at in right yonder.
All that good stuff.
You took a
You know how my car killed the push rods and over-revved it? His did the same thing with push rods. Bent it, broke it, shoved it in the intake. But it's going back together now. It's going the other way. And he's under there taking his oil filter off because you got to take the header off.
Take the header off, get the oil filter off.
He's a beach, man.
Told me there's a fender well on there and end all that.
But, alright, let's finish putting these rockers on.
All good.
But that's road to Bristol. Road to
That's
Bristol.
what I'm telling you, the pressure. Pressure's building.
Yeah.
Starting to be a little pressure now, but a little bit of pressure's off, not as much pressure as there was earlier.
Yeah.
My butthole was real puffy earlier.
He got it before they closed, so it's all good.
Lucky rabbits putting whatnot.
Yeah. Hi. How you, honey?
That's so funny.
Split, what you call it?
So we figured out what caused all the problem. I do believe was one of the poly locks split, which caused the rocker to let loose. See the cracks. Look at the other side, all the way around.
Split right there, right there.
It split, and then it let that rocker move just enough to get that push rod out, and it went pop, pop.
That's probably why it beat the side of that rocker, beat the corner of it, and turned it.
Because it had stud girdles on it, so it would hold that in place, wouldn't let it jump off, but it wasn't tight no more, so it was just like do it. It was probably partially working, opening the valve slightly until he really got into it. And then every time he did that, it just pop, 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 pop. Then it finally bent the push rod and snapped it.
Strode it off. Didn't like it no more. And he's searching high and low to get a final one. They ain't got 3/8 everywhere. 3/8 through.
Yeah, they're 7/16, so he need they're 7/16, and all he's got is 3/8, but he ain't got none for stud girdles. So some that has those, they're like I think $3 a piece.
I might just order a whole new set if that one's bad.
I mean, yeah, I think you can get a set for probably like $100 maybe.
Well, no wrong to say.
The big long one, yeah.
You can get the ones like you can get the ones like you got.
That's why they give you free shipping. $100.
$100.
$100. How much? $100.
That one could have had a little small crack in it. I mean, just I thought that were those all brand new?
Oh yeah, all that shit. Because when I ordered new lifters and push rods, I ordered those when I ordered the new stud girdles, so I didn't have to use those Jomar.
So I thought just broke one push rod. What's your fortune say?
Huh?
What's your fortune say?
Oh, here, hold this.
His fortune cookie you got.
Yeah, I opened the fortune cookie. Here, hold the camera. And this fortune cookie is my life.
Best fortune cookie you ever found.
It says it could be better, but it's good enough. I'm not kidding. That's the fortune cookie I got. It could be better, but it's good enough.
Yeah, that's a classic.
Life,
that's the best one I've ever seen.
That's hilarious.
Could be better, but it's good enough. That's a damn slogan for everybody.
Good stuff. 7/16 stud girdles.
Polylocks, 4 stud girdles. And they should be, they all should be universal, should be compatible. Anyway, Dustin's got to order parts.
It ain't no few more
That's all I
parts.
do is order parts first.
It's only Saturday.
That's really all you do.
It's only Saturday.
I spent $2 grand last year for getting ready for Super Chevy.
Just look, $300 or $400 ain't bad. It's 2,000.
Still hurts.
Look what a cool truck.
Yeah, they got
Yeah, at least I got a cool trailer. I might not be able to put my car in it, but
Yeah, look,
I
it's
got
all
been
lit
on
up.
this whole
Yeah, that
time.
light's been on the whole time. I ain't dimmed yet. That thing's badass. It's a cool trailer. Man hammer. We talk shit to Turk on the phone, so we're good to go.
Barbie's in there laid up against the wall.
Yeah, and
She's
there's my
half
date.
drunk.
You see my date? She's in there. She's about to pass
She's
out.
exhausted.
I'm just waiting on her to fall, hit the floor, and I'm diving. Getting that shit. Look, her little skirt's up.
You're gonna Bill Cosby.
Oh, there's two of them in there, ain't there? Is there two Barbies?
There might be. No, that's a ratchet
yeah.
strap.
Yeah, just one
That's
Barbie.
a ratchet Barbie.
That's right. That's real. That's one little Barbie with no drawers.
Ratchet Barbie.
Shame on us for thinking. Shame on me for thinking about that. See, they've been talking trash all night. Now they got me thinking about jumping on Barbie.
Yeah.
No, she drunk. Don't count. Damn. Won't count. Yeah. If O'Reilly or one of these parts stores right here goes, how many 16 stores you gonna have to go to?
They don't even. You can walk in there and be like, I need a polylock for a stud girl. They'd be like, now what size windshield wipers is that?
I had a Nitrous Vega one time.
Did you?
Yeah. We was talking this morning about the damn shit stores you got to go to, the parts store,
God.
to hear a story.
There's a guy at Advance down here down the road.
Here's one of them told you.
He says-
Dustin's got one.
He asked me the other day, I was getting something, and he said, you know about wants to turn around? I said, no, not off the top of my head. Well, I got one for sale. I'm going, I mean, he just sounded like he was just whacked out of his mind. I'm going fuel injection. I don't need it no more. I got it on my Chevelle. And then the other guy's over there ordering parts. And he said, I need, what was it, oil filter or something? Oh, what year, what make, what model, what engine? Is it front wheel drive, four wheel drive? Or motor should have told you what oil filter you need. Now it was four wheel drive or front wheel drive. Shit!
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Because they got tires on it. No.
It's insane. They always, the one today, what was it he said about the nitrous? He flooded his engine or something because he didn't purge, so you always have to purge.
He put too much nitrous in it because he didn't purge it. So he'd always had to pull the plugs and roll over because he didn't purge it and put too much nitrous in it. Hell, I went down there to get me some. I went down there to get me some brake line. And then told me, he said brake line will hold 100 horse, but not 300.
Yeah.
What place you got to go?
That was Advanced in Biltmore, and the other one was O'Reilly in Hemsville Road.
And then Colton went in this morning. I was like, "Did you get these parts? You have to pay. You have to pay for it." I said, "You have to listen to the story." And all. He's like, "Yeah, I had to listen to it."
And he was the guy that said the nitrous
Yeah,
stuff.
he's the one that told
Another
the story.
dude said that he was in a ride in a street car with street tires on it on the dirty road.
1960 from down there in Carolina Auto Parts.
Pulled tires.
Yeah, all the way
Set
to
them down to
fourth.
fourth gear.
I walked in the
That's
other
the best
day
yet.
with the spark plug. I took it out of this and I walked in and I said, I need 16 of these. And he types in -7. I'm like, how the fuck, part number's -7. It's right there on the thing. He said, we don't have them. I got to order them. I said, you telling me you don't carry the spark plug? It's for a fucking 350, 400 small block. He's like, nope, got to order them. I said, do me a favor. I said, you see that part number right there? He goes, where? I said, right there. Can you type that in? Oh, I got 8 on the shelf. Okay, I got to tell the parts guy how to order.
It's bad. It's bad. You have to go in there with the part number on a piece of paper and say, punch this in your computer.
God, it was literally on the side. You know how they are. They're on the side of the spark plug.
NGK is awesome for that.
That's the way we do.
He seen it on the side of the plug. It said -7. So all he typed in was -7, and it pulled up. And he's like, "Oh, he ain't got none. We got to order them." I'm like,
Dash that, was that the heat range?
"Yeah."
It's sad, but the word is it's happening all over the world. So throw your stories out there because I know somebody else has got it. I want to hear what's going on.
Yeah, that's.
This part situation can be pitiful. When
Yeah,
these parts people, when
it's
these people
bad.
know how to work on cars.
Oh, it's bad. But it doesn't be ordering parts. We're going to go find
Ain't no
something.
head
to eat.
gasket, just a little broke piece of wood.
Yeah, we found a keyway in the oil pan.
Oh my God, that's true. That's true.
Yeah, he fished out.
We pulled the plug out of the oil pan and the keyway that he lost when the bouncer blew up. There it is. Look at that. It returned, and the other piece from the lifter.
Yeah, he was worried about where he's at, and he's right there in the pan waiting. So
Yeah, and hey, if anybody needs a
He's got
3/8, look at that. Model this thing like Vanna. Look at it. Woo! Brand new, out of the box, never used. I can't use 3/8.
Yeah, because he asked me, well, there's 7/16 and 3/8, and I went 3/8. They were 7/16.
Whoopsie.
That was my bad.
Whoopsie.
He'll sell that one for $50.
50 buku. He'll autograph it.
$50 ship autograph.
It's
You know
been
what
famous.
you can get for $50?
Anything you want. All right, on that note, we're going to get anything we want. Food.
It's all good.
Just throw something over there. All right, then. That's a wrap. Head home.
That's right. Tomorrow.
Do a little testing. He's still, it's, yeah.
It's about 200 degrees now.
200? Did it throw the belt? No.
Where did you ship?
That's like right at 6.
See, I told you. That's what I told Dustin. I said, that's about 65 when I shipped it. I said, it comes up so damn fast. I said, I don't think you flatfoot it because it comes up so fast.
Yeah. But
That's much better than last night.
yeah, now I feel better. That's what we come over here to do, so we're not going in
Should
blind.
just blow the tires off of it now. Yeah,
Gear's
you
good,
first,
everything's
second,
good.
Then drive, it's still spinning. It got sideways third. Street down over it will snort. It's too noisy.
Yeah, well,
Nobody's fussing.
the person that owns all this property come up here and didn't say a word.
Yeah, that little lady that owns it. Mike White's mom came up here.
Yeah.
They own the place. So. And that fella, he come over here and check. He always comes to check, so he's a good dude. Nobody's mad.
Awesome. Sevens.
Yeah, he said, well, if you can get that thing quiet, you can sneak up on somebody.
So I was telling Cole, he run him some exhaust, it'd run like that because it'd be able to breathe enough. It's not being choked right out of the collector there.
And then the spray.
Oh God.
It's still got
See, the thing with the nitrous is you really gonna have to watch. You're gonna have to put a rev limiter or something in it because you have to watch it.
We'll put MSD on it.
Because you said it went to 7 there.
Yeah, right there.
Sounded good wherever it's at. It sounded good.
Sounded clean.
Wait till it hooks.
That's what that cam was put. That's what the cam's for. That thing is like 4,000 to 75.
I can't wait to see what it does with the hooking.
It'll be something else.
Not on dry.
All right then. Heading back.